Let's try the peas. Take some peas. Oh, they're yummy. Oh, those yummy peas. Eat them up. They're good. Eat those yummy peas. Is that good? Is that good, those peas? It's your first time with peas. Ah, get them back in there. You're not sure about those, are you? You like avocado better. Put it in. Yummy, it's good. Yummy, it's good. Do you like the peas? Do you like the peas? Eat the peas. Yummy. You're supposed to keep it in your mouth. No? Not ready for peas yet? How about I mix them with the avocado? We're going to try that. Okay.